FTSE. Okay, September effect. So what's the September effect? So after the money came in on the first trading day of the month, we were actually then turning a little bit negative in the market. The technicals were negative, but B, September is historically a negative weak month. So research shows over the last 100 years that this is weaker than many of the other calendar months. So why would that be? Well, investors looking to lock in profits after the summer period to offset schooling fees. That's one thing. Smart investors looking to lock in profits and for tax reasons well ahead of the year. Remember that the smart investors often do things well in advance of the retail market. So remember, the smart investors or traders often get into a trade way earlier than the retail market does. Often the retail market has missed the move or missed a decision and they get in at the wrong time. I'm sure you'll be aware of Bitcoin. Bitcoin went up to the 20,000 levels and everyone was totally bullish on that particular instrument, but it was of course the wrong time to be getting in when you're getting everyone in the internet saying it's time to buy. So remember, you do want to be doing often things that are opposite to the mainstream. And also another reason for September being a weak month, and this particularly for the FTSE, is that the big dividends have been declared already. So within the FTSE 100, there of course are many companies, and a lot of those companies report big dividends in the first 2 quarters of the calendar month. And as the third quarter comes to an end, the dividends will tail off. So that the fourth quarter particularly is very low on dividends. So that will have a less bullish effect on the FTSE in particular. Okay, so that's the September effect. What else have we got to look forward to for September? Well, we've actually got triple witching, but we'll leave that to maybe next week to cover that one. But we also have the end of the quarter. So we're having the end of the third quarter at the end of September. I believe it's a Wednesday, which is the 30th of September. Now on this particular day, what we do here at Magnetic Trading is we get our clients into a sell trade. Because if there is any profit to be taken, often you'll find that the stock markets will sell off again at a particular time, because a lot of the fund managers are looking to get out of bad performing stocks. We call that window dressing, trying to make their performance a little bit better, and then they'll look to get in new stocks at the beginning of October for the fourth quarter. So again, there's a particular time that we'll be looking to sell the ASX, the Dow Jones, the FTSE, and the DAX. And this is a massive multiplier effect, which means that because you can make money on 4 markets, actually 5 markets, you can make a lot of money on this particular day. Now, you know, even if you haven't tried Advisor, this is a great month to try Advisor, because to be honest, you could easily pay for a year of subscription on just these particular trades at the end of this quarter. So definitely want to be joining or taking advantage of the Advisor service for this particular month. And also we have the quarterly triple witching trades, which are linked to expiry, which I'll cover in next week's video.